In this lesson, we will understand what are pointers in C language. We will also see its advantages and disadvantages with examples. Let us start. Pointers are a fundamental feature in C programming. They allow you to directly manipulate memory and perform various advanced programming tasks. A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Instead of holding a value directly, a pointer points to the location in memory where the value is stored. To get a memory address of a variable in C language, we generally use the AND operator. The AND, that is the ampersand sign, is an address operator in C language. It is used to access the address of a variable. In pointers, we generally use the address operator as well as the indirection operator. Address I already discussed. The indirection operator is the star sign, that is the asterisk. It is used to access the value of an address. So while learning the concept of pointers, both of these operators are quite important. Let us first see the advantages of pointers. It directly accesses the memory and hardware, which in turn enhances the performance. It enables the dynamic allocation and deallocation of memory. So these techniques avoid wastage of memory. Pointers are a fundamental feature in C to create complex data structures like linked list and trees. Through function pointers, callback functions are allowed that leads to better modularity in code. Modularity enhances readability, leads to easier maintenance and reusability of a code. Let us see the disadvantages. It is complex. Sometimes it is complex to understand. You can also face some debugging issues, like memory leaks are sometimes difficult to debug. It can also lead to buffer overflow if it is not used correctly. It can lead to memory leaks if the memory is not freed. I just discussed about the operators used in C language for pointers. So using one of them, let us display the addresses of variables before moving further. Here is our VS Code. We created a folder with all our codes. Let us create a new file. Right click, new file, demo40.c. Let us add the header file and the main function. I'll take three variables: integer variable a, float variable b, and char variable c. Now I'll print their addresses. Address of variable a is equal to, here I'll use the format specifier %p. This is the format specifier to display the address. Now write and a to get the address, and is the ampersand sign, that is the address operator. Similarly do for others. Copy and paste. Now change B and C. We will also add /n, and here I'll change. Also set it to P. Now it looks fine. Go to file, save, right click, run code. Here it is. We have displayed the address of variable a, b and c using the address operator. Now here is the syntax of pointers. We already saw how to display the address. So the following is the syntax. First you need to write the data type, then the name of the variable. Here star is visible, that is asterisk. The var name can also be considered as the pointer name or the pointer variable. Let us see some examples. So here we will see how to declare and create a pointer. So this is the example. You can compare it with the syntax. In the syntax we saw that the star, that is the asterisk, is followed by the pointer name, that is the pointer variable. But in the example we have shown something else. So we need to remember that both are correct, both are syntactically correct. In the example we have considered the data type int. Therefore this is pointer to an integer. We are declaring a pointer to an integer. You can add the asterisk after int or even before a, like the same is visible here. Let us implement this on VS Code and understand it more. We will create a pointer variable and point to an integer variable. Okay, that means a pointer variable b will store the address of the variable a. Let us see. Let us create a new file. Right click, new file, demo41.c. Let us add the comment, create a pointer in C. Add the header file. Now the main function. First I'll take an integer variable and I'll assign a value. Okay. After that I'll take another variable and assign the address. So what I'm doing here pointer variable b is storing the address of the variable a. Okay, so this is what we created, pointer to an integer. We saw in the syntax also before. Okay, a is our integer variable and this means that b is a pointer to an integer and it is being initialized with the address of a. Now b is a pointer to the variable a and it holds the address of a. Let us print. First we have printed the integer value. Now we will print the address of a. Using AND a. And what will be the format specifier? %p. And here I'll use the address operator, right? AND a. Address of a using pointer b. Okay, so what it will be? First the format specifier, then the b. So here we are printing the value of b, which is now having the address of a. This is /n for next line. Save, right click and run. So here what you can see, the address of a and the b are having equal addresses because the pointer variable b stored the address of the variable a, that is the following. So both are having the same addresses. I'll just remove this. Now it's fine. Go to file, save and run. Now it's fine. Okay. These are pointing to the same address. Both of them are having the same address. Also here we are printing the integer value. So I'll set it to D. Okay. Run. Now this looks perfect, I guess. Integer value 10 and both of them are having similar addresses. So guys, we saw what are pointers in C language. We also saw the advantages and disadvantages. We created a pointer and also saw how to store the address of the other variable with pointers. Thank you for watching the video.